Mars is dry, desolate, and dead, right? That's the official line. But what if there's more to the story? What if NASA isn't telling us everything they know? Welcome back to Lies and Legends. Today, we're exposing the top 5 mysteries on Mars NASA doesn't talk about. Real photos, real data, real questions, with no clear answers. Let's start digging. Number 5. The face on Mars. In 1976, NASA's Viking 1 orbiter snapped a photo of the Martian surface that sent shockwaves around the world. A massive formation that looked like a human face staring into space. NASA later dismissed it as a trick of light and shadow. But here's the twist. When enhanced and re-imaged years later, more symmetrical features emerged. Eyes, a mouth, even a headdress. Some scientists say it's just pareidolia, the brain seeing patterns where none exist. But millions still believe it's a monument from an ancient Martian civilization. Number 4. Strange structures and pyramids. Multiple satellite images show pyramid-shaped hills, rectangular ruins, and even what looks like roads carved into the Martian surface. Could they be natural formations? Maybe. But some images seem too precise, too aligned. The so-called D&M pyramid and the Cydonia region structures raise questions about intelligent design. NASA rarely discusses these formations in detail. Why avoid the topic unless there's more than just rocks up there? Number 3. Bursts of methane. In 2003, Earth-based telescopes detected massive methane plumes in the Martian atmosphere. Methane doesn't last long. It breaks down in sunlight, so it must be constantly produced. But how? On Earth, 90% of methane comes from living things. NASA has detected seasonal spikes, like breathing, microbial life underground, geologic activity, or something else? Strangely, each time more instruments are sent to investigate, the plumes vanish. Coincidence or a cover-up? Check 2. The doorway and hatch. Photos. In 2022, NASA's Perseverance and Curiosity rovers photographed rectangular openings in Martian rock formations. One looked like a doorway carved into a cliff. Another like a metal hatch embedded in a rock. NASA explained the door as a fracture from natural erosion. But the clean-cut and perfect right angles sparked global speculation. People asked, if this was found on Earth, would we call it natural? The silence since then has only fueled more suspicion. Number 1. Whistleblowers and the Mars jump room. Some former military insiders claim the US government has had secret access to Mars since the 1980s. They speak of jump rooms, instant teleportation devices used in classified missions. Sound crazy? Sure. But these claims come with names, dates, and even connections to public figures. NASA, of course, denies all of it. But ask yourself, if it wasn't true, why would they keep scrubbing mentions of it from forums, interviews, and archives? The truth may not be out there. It may be hidden right here. Mars is more than just red dust. It's a planet of questions, and the closer we look, the more secrets we uncover. Are these just coincidences, or is something being hidden? Let us know your theory in the comments. And if you want more content that challenges what you're told, hit that subscribe button and join us here at Lies and Legends, where every fact has a shadow.